empowered, I am strong. With every step I belong. In my heart I find the key to unlock my dreams, to be truly free. With courage and strength I'll face the day.
Hello,
Hello.
everybody.
Hello.
Wow, this is the last day of November. Last day of November, and we are here. I have my ka-empowered Marianne and sis Rosalie. Marianne from Canada and Rosalie from Italy. And welcome everyone. Kung ikaw ay kikinig sa amin, follow us, the Empowered Women um, group and live again kami ngayon. Real Talk tonight. We're celebrating milestone achievers, early retirees, and job quiters who replace their income through this online business. So, any ordinary people with an extraordinary results. If you're tired na ulit-ulit na routine, if you have been thinking about starting but keep delaying, this is your sign. Today is the last day of our November promo. So we are actually extended from October. So one sale, one commission up to 4,000 K dollars plus in your pocket. Don't miss this. Watch our free webinar and see how automation works while you live your life. Even how busy you are, whatever you do, this business will just run for you with just, amazing. And there's so many people change their lives. So we have to get, if you want to get started, you connect with us. So no hype, no pressure, just real stories and real options. So, um, hi everyone again. I'm Sherry. Before I forget to introduce my name, we are running our digital business here and we are sharing this to everyone. So, wherever you are, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So, it's good afternoon in my side. We are EST time. So tonight, tatlo lang kami. Nakikita niyo, we are all here three. Yesterday, we kind of lots because this business works for everyone because you can do anytime you have time. It's not just like a pressure. It's not just a traditional business that you should be there all the time. But even then, you are not here, it's still running in your background, anything, anywhere, anytime, whatever you do, it's running in your background. So um well, maraming nag-retire, maraming nag-quit ng job nila. It's because they already replaced their 9 to 5 because of this business. Hindi ito magic, hindi ito overnight, pero it's happening to ordinary people like us. So tonight, let's break it down for you. Bakit sila nag-achieve and paano mo rin ito magagawa kung seryoso ka sa pag-change ng buhay mo. Sis Rosalie, you can share, your insight, why we are doing this business.
Alright. Real talk. Kung may ginawa ka lang sana earlier, iba na sana ang buhay mo ngayon. Di ba? Hello, blessed Sunday everyone. Ako si Rosalie, dental assistant for more than 20 years na. Isang ina, originally from Philippines, at alam ko yung pagod, yung feeling na pagod ka na pero tuloy pa rin. Kasi kailangan, kasi may pamilya, kasi walang choice. Pero nung nakita ko tong online business na ito, alam mo yung una kong napansin, hindi yung income, kundi yung mga success stories na mga simpleng tao, may mga OFW na umuwi na for good sa Pilipinas, na finally kasama na yung kanilang mga pamilya. May mga ina na dati laging guilty kasi parang hindi sila present sa kanilang mga anak. Ngayon mas maluwag ng oras dahil sa automated system. Meron din maraming job quitters na dati overwork pero ngayon full-time na dahil sa stable na yung kanilang income. But the truth is hindi sila extraordinary, hindi sila special. They just made a decision. Parang ako, I just made a decision. Kasi dito, once na na-set up mo na yung business mo, habang kahit nasa trabaho ka, nasa kusina ka, nag-aalaga ka ng bata, even kahit natutulog, the automation works for you. Ako mismo, dami kong beses inisip, kung ginawa ko lang sana ito noon pa, iba na sana talaga yung timeline ko ngayon. Pero thankful ako na ginawa ko siyang ngayon kasi at least gumagalaw na ako papunta sa long term na gusto ko, more time, more freedom, more option para sa pamilya ko. Kaya kung ikaw nanonood ngayon at naghahanap ka ng something na may future, may potential, at hindi ka masusunog sa oras mo, ito na talaga yun. Di ba, Sis Mary Ann?
Yes, thank you, Sis Rosalie. Tamang-tama yung pag-uusapan natin ngayon kasi it's just basing it from our own experiences. Ako po pala si Mary Ann. Happy Sunday po sa inyong lahat at salamat po sa inyong suporta sa Empowered Women every weekend. So ako po ay isang ina, asawa. I have a full-time job as a sales administrator. And today, I wanna be real at the moment. Ang dami natin kasing gusto sa buhay, di ba? Extra income, more time with family, maagang retirement, gaya ng sinabi ni Sis Rosalie at saka ni Sis Sherry. Less stress, better future for the kids. Pero madalas, hanggang sana na lang. Hanggang doon na lang. And I say that with love because dati, ako rin yun. I wanted to change but I kept doing the same routine every single day. Work, home, kids, pagod, repeat. Ganun na palagi. And then one day I asked myself, kung wala akong binabago, bakit ako umaasang may magbabago? Tama naman, di ba? That's when I noticed something about people in the business who retired early or who replaced their income or who hit big milestone even while raising their kids or working full-time like me. It wasn't because they had more time than us. No, lahat sila may 24 hours din eh. It wasn't because life was easier for them. It's because they took action. Yun. They didn't wait for perfect timing because perfect timing doesn't exist. They started scared, they started busy, they started kahit skeptical pa rin, but they started. And the one step changed everything. Now I'm sharing this because today is the last day of the November promo. One sale, one commission up to 4K in your pocket. USD na USD. Yes, 4 times the regular commission. And like what si Sherry have said, it has been extended and this never happens. It has been extended from October. So imagine, di ba? Extra 4K could do for your family right now for savings, bills, gifts, Pasko, travel, or even just freedom from stress. But here's the thing. I'm not here to pressure you. We're not here to pressure you. We're here to remind you that if you've been watching silently, katulad namin din noon, if you've been waiting, if you've been telling yourself next time for months, years, maybe this is your moment. So watch our webinar. No pressure, no commitment. Just learn and observe because change doesn't start with perfect timing. Change starts when you actually do something. Diba si Sherry?
Unmute, sis.
Yes, we've seen this with so many good results, lahat dito nag-start ng as ordinary people, they don't have background, they're busy, pero may pangarap, Plus, dagdagan mo ang pangarap mo ng take action, plus a system that actually works with so many, with real result. Hindi kami special, nagdaan din kami sa ilalim na hindi namin alam kung paano because we don't have experience, we we don't know what is online space before until it was offered to us, and we just learn. We grab the opportunity, we take action, and we learn. We have the training to follow, and we are here to mentor you as well. So hindi kami special, we just learned as well. We applied and stayed consistent for a better result. So kung kayo ay curious ka or matagal mo nang iniisip-isip pero hindi mo magawa, tonight is your sign. So as we said, last day of promo. So don't let this pass again. Sis Rosalie?
Alright, so wag po kayong mahiyang magtanong kasi yung pagtatanong is wala namang bayad. Yung pagtatanong is, alam mo yun, yung curiosity mo na nakikita mo kami na nagla-live, may mga kung ano-ano kang nakikita sa aming mga walls, mga page namin. Your curiosity is magkakaroon ng katugunan if you sign up your name and your email sa end of sa aming tatlo. Bahala ka na mag-decide. And then, we will send you yung free webinar. So, yung webinar is free. Wala yung pressure. So, hindi mo kailangan ng magbayad pag sa sign up mo. So, wag kang matatakot na pag nag-sign up ka ng pangalan mo, email is there is something na mangyayari. No. Dahil po ang business na ito is legal. So, wala po kayong kailangan, hindi mo kailangang matakot. So, stay calm lang po. Okay, so be inspired and God bless. Ang aking website is www.rosalico.com. Okay, Sis Mary Ann.
Thank you again, Sis Rosalie. Like what everybody has said, if you want next month to look differently, decision nyo yan. Right? And for you to be able to decide, kailangan syempre, sigurado rin tayo if this is the right fit. So remember, people who changed their life, they decided on days like this. May nakita sila, may napansin, di ba? And then they decided. So my website is www.maryantibayan.com. Salamat po.
Take action now, and my website also is www.sherrylamis.com, and we don't want to hear any regrets one day. Bakit hindi mo ako sinabihan agad? We are here every weekend to share about this. Keep in touch, and we will start from there. Or remember, we have live free webinar every Tuesday and Thursday, and you can sign up in any of our website. Okay, so that's all for today, and if you have questions, keep in touch with us, message us, or just log in to the webinar. Okay, thank you and good afternoon, everybody.
Bye.
Bye. God bless.